Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by preparing both devices so syncing can work reliably. Make sure the watch has at least 20% battery and your phone is connected via Bluetooth. This prevents mid-process dropouts. Open the watch's companion app and go to the Time or Settings section. This is where automatic sync options live. Once done, verify your phone's time is set to automatic network time. This provides the authoritative source. If the app prompts for permissions, grant them so the watch can read phone time and apply changes. You now force the synchronization and, if needed, perform a manual override. First, tap the app's sync time or refresh control and watch for a confirmation. Wait 10 to 20 seconds so the command completes. If the automatic option fails, manually set the watch time to match your phone, entering hour, minute, and AM/PM where required. Once adjusted, restart the watch's Bluetooth or briefly close and reopen the app to ensure the new values persist and the device commits the change. You finish by verifying persistent settings and applying a key fix if problems remain. Check both devices for correct time zone and daylight saving settings because mismatches cause recurring offsets. Make sure the watch firmware and the companion app are up to date. Many time bugs are solved with updates. If the watch still shows the wrong time after updates, backup data and use a factory reset as a last resort. Troubleshooting tip: if resets fail, try pairing with a different phone to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.